This course was built for one reason, to help you fix stuck soil and do it with biology. Not with guesswork, not with one-size-fits-all of products, and not with another long-winded theory that never gets applied. You're here to get results in the real world, and this course was designed to help you do exactly that. Now, to get the most out of your time here, let's set a few expectations. First, this is a working course, not a passive one. You'll be learning from the field, not just the videos. And you'll be applying concepts directly to your operation using the tools we've provided. The Field Notes worksheet and quick soil health checklist aren't extras. They're core to your success. Print them, use them, make them dirty. This is how you'll start seeing your soil differently. Second, move module by module. We've kept each lesson short and focused so you can work through the content quickly, apply what you learn, and come back to it later if needed. Every lesson builds on the last. Even if you've been in ag for decades, you'll pick up something new by going in order. Third, and this one's big, don't do it alone. You're not just taking a course, you're joining a growing community of growers, land stewards, and regenerative thinkers. If you get stuck, have questions, or just want to share what's working, head over to the community page. That's where we collaborate, troubleshoot, and celebrate what's working together. And finally, if you're going through this as a grower, a consultant, or a business owner with a team, don't keep it to yourself. This course was built to scale. If you want to use it to train your employees, advise your clients, or onboard new hires, let us know. We offer team training access and group licensing option. All right, time to dig in. You got the tools, you got the support, and you've got the soil. Let's get it working again with biology.